Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to solve the following pairs of simultaneous equations using the given graphs. So for part A, this particular question, the two graphs are drawn. This is the red color graph, 2x minus y equals to 0, which is here. And the blue color graph, x minus 2y equals to 6. So where could the particular solution of these two graphs be? Take note, for it to be a solution of both graphs, that solution has to be, that particular point where it is the solution has to be on both graphs at the same time. And where do you think that could be? Yes, it has to be at the intersection point, which is here. And from here, I will then be able to gather that my x is 2. Negative 2, sorry. And my y is negative 4. And that is the answer for part A. Now, moving on to the next part of the question. Okay. Where I will have my second graph here. Alright. Where I will have x plus 2y equals to 7 and x plus 2y equals to 2. What are these lines? Do take note. Mr. Tan saw something. If I were to zoom in at the equation, I actually see that the gradient is the same. So let's see for the red color equation or the graph, if I were to do the to write it in the y equals to mx plus c form, this is what you will get. Minus x on both sides and divide by 2 on both sides on all terms. I would also have I will also do the same for this blue color graph. And again, I need to minus x on both sides. There's a positive 2. And when I divide by 2 or across all terms, 2 over 2 is 1. Then I notice that, I hope you also notice what is the gradient. For those who are not able to see from the onset, the gradient is the same. And when I have the same gradient, it just means that they are parallel lines. Okay, and since they are parallel lines, does these two graphs actually intersect each other? No. And since they don't intersect each other, and let me just shift this away, make it smaller. Then they will never meet. Hence, this pair of simultaneous equation has no solution. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.